Here's a basic twist I put on a regular braid. One product I like to use for braiding sometimes is the Curl Contour from the Curl Manifesto line by Kerastase. Start this off by dividing the hair into 3 equal sections, just like you would do for a regular braid. I started by crossing the right hand section over the middle and then the left hand section over the middle. And then once I have that first stitch, I take a little piece off of the right hand strand and I wrap it all around the entire braid to the other side, bringing it underneath and adding it to the right hand strand again. Then with that right hand strand, just like a regular braid, I'm going to cross the entire thing over the middle strand, and then we'll come through on the left hand side and repeat the same, bringing that left hand strand over the middle. So now we've completed one full stitch, and we'll just repeat it again. Taking a small piece off of that right hand strand, wrapping it around the entire braid to the underneath and over again to add it into the right hand strand again. Now take that entire right hand strand, cross it over the middle, and then with the left, cross that over the middle. That's the second stitch. Now you'll just repeat that all the way down, keeping in mind that every time you take a piece off of a strand, it will come from the same side. I'm taking the piece from the right hand side, but if you start this and you take it from the left, always take it from the left and then pass it over and under to meet to the left hand side again. Whichever way you choose to do it is fine, just keep it consistent. This technique just creates a little band around the braid, and when you expand it, it gives it just a little bit extra texture and a more elevated look. So this is what it should look like, but again, I like to expand it and pedal out the braid to create a more dramatic and full effect. You can even expand the little bands around the braid as well. And here I'm just expanding to create some volume and fullness around the back of the head. Here the braid is expanded. And for fun, let's add a flower vine. I folded the top of it a couple of times to create a starting point at the base of the braid, and then I just wrapped it around and arranged it. I think this braid works best on long, one-length hair. Also great because if you're not a braider and you can at least do a 3-strand braid, this creates a little bit of an advanced look. Plus it's easy. Anyway, there she is. Hope you like.